Hey guys, so it's going to be a short lesson today because I know that yesterday was a little bit longer. So today we are on page 240. We're only going to do exercise 4.16, numbers 1 through 6 for your homework, okay? So the principle that we're learning today is if you have a dot at one end of the circle and it connects here, there are two, well, when I say it connects here, meaning that kind of like what we were seeing before, it connects with two other points in the circle. So here we have one chord and another chord, and those two chords meet in the middle by two radii, two radiuses. Well, then the principle states that this angle x is going to be half the size of this one, so 2x here. So again, for this other one, we have two chords. They do not pass through the center. And then they return to meet once again at the radius. Okay. Same principle, that this exterior angle here is going to be worth 2 of whatever this interior angle is, okay? And so you've got one that kind of looks like a smashed kite, which actually this is a kite geometrically, remember? And then this other one, not geometric, but kind of looks like an arrowhead. So these are the two different shapes that we're talking about here. So let me just go through some of these shapes that we have down here and articulate the information that you need to know. So here, remember that this is twice whatever the measure of this angle is. This here is going to be twice whatever this is. So when I'm looking here, this doesn't look like an arrow. This also does not look like a kite, because these two radii form a straight line. And so we know that it's going to have to be 180. Well, still, it's going to be, this is 2 of whatever this is here. Here's our kite. So I know here that this angle is going to be half of whatever this is. So this is going to be 2 times 2 of these. Here, I know that this angle here is going to be twice of this angle here, 36. So it's 70. And then this is going to be half of this. So this is going to be 2x. Okay. Now, you're going to have to decide. I'll show you. Yeah, I'll show you. I don't know. Let me think about that. So as I was looking through these, I found myself wondering, how is it that we know that this is worth 2 of that, and that it's not 2x is going to be equal to 130? How is it that we know that? Okay, and so when I'm looking at this structure up here, notice that it's the angle in between the two chords. So the angle in between the two chords is going to be half of where the two radii on the exterior, outside, between the two radii, that's the angle that is going to be worth 2 times whatever this small angle is between my two chords, okay? So remember that 2 of this plus whatever x is going to equal 360, which is the total number of degrees in a circle, okay? So I also want to take a little bit of a closer look here at number 5. So I drew it up here. The first thing that you're going to want to do, you can't solve for either x or y yet. So, but what we do know is I know that this angle is going to be twice of this angle here. And I also know that this line here and this line here are equal because they're both the radius, and the radius is going to be the same no matter where. So it tells me that this angle and this angle are going to be the same. And then from there, once I know what those are, I know that the addition of this angle plus this angle plus this angle is going to equal 180, okay? So first, I'm going to find x, then y. Actually, maybe we should do number 5 together, and that way number 6 will be a little bit easier for you to do on your own. Yeah, let's do that. Okay. So here, when I'm looking at this, again, I want to find out what the measurement of this yellow angle is first, and I know that it is going to be twice of this top angle, so 2 times 36 is going to equal 72. So the measurement of this angle is 72. I don't really care about that, but it does help me find the value of x. So this and this are equivalent. This and this are equivalent. So 2x plus 72 is going to equal 180. Subtract 72 from both sides. 108. Divide both sides by 2. And x is 54. Okay, so I know that now. I gotta make that smaller. That is ridiculous. Okay, so this is 54, and that tells me that this is also 54. Okay, well, if this side and this side are equal, this side and this side are equal, well, that tells me that if these two are equal, that this whole angle must be equal, and this whole angle must be equal. Okay, so, and I know that that whole blue angle is going to be the addition of that black angle, 54, plus whatever this little green angle is. So I can say 36 plus, I'm going to put this in brackets, 54 plus that little green, which is our y, and plus, same thing again, so I'll just go ahead and say times 2, because I've got 2 of those same angles. Ooh, actually, let's make this blue, because that's our whole blue angle right there. So if I add all of those together, then it's going to give me 180 degrees. Okay, and actually, I'm going to go ahead and just say okay, so we've got 2 of those blue angles, so I've got it twice here. 54 plus 54 is 108, I already know, plus 36, 108, 4, 1, 40, 44, plus 2y. Totally make sure I did that right. I need to write some stuff down. Yeah, okay. Equals 180. Subtract 140 from both sides. It gives me 36 equals 2y. So y here is 18. Okay. So x equals 54. Y equals 18. So you'll want to follow the exact same process when you solve number 6 on your own. Let me know if you need any help, okay?